Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable developer option in your Samsung A11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be buy this phone recently from market and you want to install some apps which is not supported. They're asking to enable developer option. So in order to enable developer option, it's very necessary for you to know how to enable developer option. So in this video I will share it by step how you can enable developer option in the Samsung A11. So in order to do that, you need to go in the device settings section. After clicking on settings section, scroll down, you need to go jump over your phone, about phone. After clicking on about phone, you need to click here software information. After clicking on software information, it will give you a valid number. You need to click 7 times in valid number. After you click 7 times, it's saying developer mode has been enabled. If I go back and if I go again back, if I go if I go in setting, I will see just now I had turned on developer option in my Samsung A11. So in this you can easily enable developer option in your Samsung A11. Now you might be decide to turn it off. You can easily open that and you can turn it off and your developer option going to be hide. So in this way you can easily enable or disable developer option in your Samsung A11. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.